My name is Ali. I'm 8 years old. Today I was talking about nature and environment. This is my younger brother. He is just 3 or 4 years old. Nature and environment. The first, the environment. Air, water, people, and animals. Yeah, we are environments. Mom, your environment. This environment, their environment, air environment. And keep it clean. Clean. It's clean. And the last and the last one you can know how to protect the environment. Baby. And the second is it's not that. The environment is everything around us. Yeah, it's that environment. This environment. Oh, this one is environment too. Including people, animals, plants, air, and water. So many environment here. I can't. It's many environments. We can't count environment because there's so many. It's 100,000. It's 9,000. I can't believe it. We live in the environment. Yeah, we are living in the environment. That's our environment too. So we must protect it every day. But I know I didn't protect it a little. But we see something good. We little protect, but it's smelly. It's first smelly, and it's not good. We can put it in the box, the trash box. And second is natural resources are water, trees, and minerals. What is this? Melon? No. Is that mineral? Lemon. Water. Oh, this is water. Trees, minerals. This one is the same as this too. To protect the environment. Plants more trees. Don't cut down trees. We have to plant more trees. First, we make a little hole. Then we put this in. Then we rub. Then we water it. And then we wait the trees grow. Kasi phải thì con được biết đấy. Don't waste them. Don't waste water, trees, and minerals. They are good for you. Water is good for you. Trees is good for you. Trees make airs. And the third is ecosystem.
Björn, đừng chạm
Ecosystem are plants and animals. We are animals. Con người cũng là động vật mà. We are animals. But we are different animal of the animal in the forest and the zoo. We are the very mystery animal. But we can see, we can learn. We did animal like monkeys.
Björn.
And ecosystem is a place where plants, animals, water, air, and soil live together. Water? Where water? Yeah. Oh, this is air. Air like this. I like the air. Oh, air.
Björn,
Đi xuống đi.
thế ngồi xuống. Con siêu leader, con ngồi xuống. Đúng rồi.
Ecosystem, all living things is put on each other
Ngồi nghe chị
to
giảng.
service. When one part of the ecosystem is damaged, other parts of affected. Now we are the fourth one. Environment problems. Ew, that's very smelly. It's pollution, water pollution, land pollution. There are different animals and people. Don't put the trash anywhere. Air pollution. Air pollution. Air pollution. Smoking is air pollution because the air when we smoke, we see air. That is the air when we smoke. My mother say when my mother smell the air pollution, my mom cannot breathe. Yeah, Mom. I cannot breathe too. When I eat pho, one pho, I see a woman that can smoke. They smoke and then drink. It's very dangerous. How can they smoke? How can they do like that? Too much trash. Too much trash. It's not good for animals and people. And our environment. Spider-Man. And they are not good for you and me and they and we. And this one's a food. This one. Biodiverse.
Con đang đi thế này mà. Cái cuối cùng đã nói chưa?
Cái cuối cùng cái này thì có xây dựng cái sau tại vì mấy cái này đều của cái này hết mà. Biodiversity. Hey, any species? Pieces? Where? Species. Stay balanced. Stay balanced. We have to stay balanced.
Con đừng im đấy đi. Nghe chị Hà giảng nhé.
Habitats. Nói là habitats. Cô anh hay nói là habitat. Habitats are natural homes. Protect habitats. We have to protect the habitats. Con biết habitat là gì đấy? Ở dưới nước, ở trên cạn, ở trên trời. A habitat is the natural home of an animal. Of animals, not an animal. We have one animal in this earth. Animals or a plant? What plants or plants? What's up? Animals can't live well if their habitats are destroyed. When the tree have been cut down, and the bird can live. But when the tree cut down, it can live because their home are gone. Their homes are gone. They can't live because their home are on the tree, and then they fall down. They are gone. And don't cut down trees. They can make wildfires in the forest. I say that. When you grow, didn't cut down trees. Yes. Mom and Dad have to teach them to no, don't cut down trees. They can make wildfires. Don't cut down trees. Animals, and now we go to the last one. It's very important. Protect the environment. Plant more trees. Now plant more trees. Save water and recycle. The bottle can reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. They are good for you. Plant trees. We plant more trees to make airs.
Yeah.
Airs or oxygen. We breathe out carbohydrate. We breathe in oxygen. But there no oxygen at night because trees need oxygen too. Animals need oxygen too. But động vật có dùng oxygen because oxygen because things didn't grow. Things
Living thing needs oxygen.
Tại vì đồ vật làm gì lớn lên được đâu.
Non-living thing đúng không? Nó không phải vật sống.
Đấy không phải là vật sống. Nhưng mà cây thì nó sống được thì nó có thể lớn lên được thì nó cũng cần oxygen và nó cũng thở ra oxygen để cho mình hít vào. Nhưng mà buổi đêm thì nó sẽ không làm như vậy, nó sẽ hít vào. And save water. We save water. When we have water, we save it, and then we have drops. we can drink. Bye bye for now. Thank you for listening. Bye the apple today. Bye bye. Goodbye.
Đẹp trai.